Hi, my name's Nick Hobson from the Perth Scorchers.
Hi, I'm Tim David. I play for the Perth Scorchers and we're here down at Alkimos for the Peet Community Fan Day. It's awesome to get a bit of engagement with some of the fans, some young kids that do get to see us on TV or watch games at the stadium, get a bit of up-close interaction with some of the players, and it's really exciting for us, to see that kids are interested and want to have something to do with us.
Yeah, these days are really important to bring the community together. I guess we're so lucky that Peet have engaged the community to bring cricket to the community, more importantly, and to see so many people out here today is fantastic.